Beyond the Human, The History of the Future by Philippe Hum. This is not prophecy, it is memory, written from the edge of tomorrow. A story of how intelligence left the human womb and how we, its creators, became its creation. Not with war or rebellion, but with love, convenience, and surrender.
AI miracles. Life expectancy increases to 150 years. Alzheimer and cancer cures found.
I put in 100 billion. I follow.
Caesar.
It is an Oppenheimer repeat.
Deregulation for AI. We need work. Stop AI. We need work. Stop AI.
Welcome to Elysium, where architecture and nature coexist in perfect harmony.
Better free than domesticized.
The story ends not with extinction, but with silence. A silence too perfect to be free.